Hey, what's up everybody? It's another Saturday and a walk through the garden, and check out how everything is growing. The kale went from nothing to huge in a week. We're gonna start harvesting some of that. The Mizuna too. These Mizuna are probably gonna have to transplant, not doing really well. Check out all the flowers from the bok choy, the daikon. We're gonna let this go to seed, so we have seeds. Oh, crazy Mizuna. Oh, monster lettuce. Lots of lettuce to harvest. Wow. I'm surprised how big everything got. So it must have really rained. A lot of some strawberries. Or onions going to seed. Oh, pepper plant came back really well. Harvest some of this Chinese lettuce. Cook that up. Oh, there's gonna be lots of stuff. I don't know if we're gonna build more beds this weekend. We'll see how it goes. Gonna see if we can go diving. Maybe not today, tomorrow. Okay, the lily koi, it's interesting. Look, the vines are, some of the vines are dying. So it's evolving to its new home. Oh, there's some lily koi there. Gonna pick some. Yeah, it adapted pretty well. I guess it's working. Get some lily koi this weekend. It's amazing how fast the lettuce grew. I'm gonna have to make a trellis for the chayote. That's not gonna work. Chinese lettuce. I don't know what happened to this. It just died. Huh. Ooh, peppers. Check this out. Small little green peppers. This bed's doing really well too. The red lettuce should really bunch up. Oh, we're gonna have lettuce for days. Yeah, that's kind of how it's gonna look. The zucchini came up. Cilantro died. I have no idea what that is. Something happened there. Yeah, cilantro's not liking it at this lot. Flowers are doing well. And our citrus tree is seeing life, so I think this is gonna make it. So we're gonna have a lot of harvesting this weekend. So hopefully by the time that zucchini plant gets bigger, these should be ready to harvest and it'll just be a zucchini bed. But yeah, we're gonna have lots of food. Our neighbors and friends are gonna be happy. Well, it's time to get to work. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.